Hi, I'm Lynn from Lynn Wilson Designs, and I'd like to tell you about my pattern, Anna's Garden. This is a fun quilt to make using fabrics with large, interesting motifs for fussy cutting the centre squares of your blocks. Fussy cutting means choosing a motif on the fabric, cutting it out using the template, and then repeating that motif 3 more times. When sewn together, the 4 motifs will give you an interesting centre for your block. Here is an example of a fabric that is good for fussy cutting, and here is the block that I made from this fabric. A mirror and template help you see how the motifs will look when all 4 squares are sewn together. It's really fun to see all the variations that are possible with one fabric by moving the mirror around. A simple piecing technique makes Anna's Garden a quilt that any sewer can accomplish. It's the fabrics you choose for the blocks that make this quilt exciting. The finished quilt looks so much more complex than it is. The pattern includes step-by-step instructions for cutting, sewing and assembling the quilt. Ask for the Anna's Garden pattern at your local quilt shop or find it at ByAnnie.com.